I am Rebecca Masson. I am the pastry chef and owner of Fluff Bake Bar in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to make our unicorn bake cookies. It's definitely a cookie. Once baked, it would attract a unicorn to you. It's a basic creaming method, super easy. You got your stand mixer, unsalted butter, and the reason we use unsalted butter is that way we can control the amount of salt in the cookie. Granulated sugar, and we're gonna put this in the mixer. Go until it's light and fluffy, and it'll change in color. It'll become kind of a more pale yellow. So you wanna turn the mixer on about medium-low, and we're gonna drop our eggs in. So we have 2 large eggs. Kind of let it mix a little. Drop the second one in. You're trying to combine basically the water from the egg white and the fat of the butter. Then we're going to scrape the bowl really well so we can get all the way down into the bottom. And then we're gonna let this go on medium-high for about 2 minutes. That's how we get kind of a fluffy cookie from creaming the butter and the sugar and then whipping whole eggs. So we've got our magical mixture. So you wanna go ahead and scrape down the bowl again. We have all-purpose flour. I'm a big fan of King Arthur flour. We use cream of tartar, baking soda, and then we have kosher salt. The secret ingredient to a unicorn bake cookie is sprinkles. You want to mix literally until it comes together. At this point, you don't want to overmix because the glutens in the flour get activated from the liquids in the butter and the eggs and all of that. There we go. I'm just going to scrape this into a bowl. This is our unicorn bake cookie dough. So we have cookie scoop, parchment lined baking sheet. We just make a flat scoop. And you can do this in a variety of scoops. You can use a 1-ounce scoop, you can use, we use 2-ounce scoops because we like big cookies. The second part of the magical unicorn bake, we like to roll ours into a rainbow sugar. Now our cookies are ready to bake. We're gonna pop these into an oven. If you have a regular conventional oven, you're going to bake it at 350. And if you have convection, you're gonna go ahead and drop it to 325. And I'm gonna give you a time frame about 10 to 11 minutes. All right, guys, let's see. Wow. That is truly the way to catch a unicorn. I'm Rebecca Masson from Fluff Bake Bar in Houston, Texas. And this is my unicorn bake cookie.